Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, I just got home and I finally decided to do a day in my life as an online seller. So a lot of my friends actually told me to do this type of video, but bear with me guys because this is my first time vlogging, because the videos I usually do is makeup, hauls, and then tutorials sometimes, and I also do fashion and style video, but today it's a little bit different like I've told you. So this will be a day in my life as an online seller. So if you don't know already, I recently started my business, which is Dolled Up Cosmetics. So we are basically selling lip glosses, lip tints, and lip scrub. So yeah, basically a cosmetic brand that mainly focuses on lip products, and we sell that on Shopee, and our marketing social media is Instagram as well. You can go ahead and follow us. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description box. So yeah. Okay, so like I've mentioned guys, that I just got home from work. So basically I am still working, so this business is just my side hustle as of now. But of course I wanted this to be my job in the future, so I'm really working hard. So yeah, I just checked my Shopee app and I see that I just got 3 new orders today that I need to fulfill. So today I'll just go ahead and pack those orders and I'll bring you guys with me. And I just want to thank my friends, my family members, and to all the dolls who supports our business. Thank you again guys, and I hope that you will continue supporting us through this journey. So yeah, let's go ahead and start packing. guys, at last, I'm done packing all the orders. At i-pick up yon ng JNT tomorrow pa naman. So, mas mabuti na yon na mas maaga ko siyang na-prepare para bukas for pick up na lang siya. And by the way, thank you again for all those orders, guys. I really appreciate that. Hindi ko alam kung meron pang mag-replace ng order mamaya. But hopefully, meron pa para makasabay for tomorrow's pick up, for tomorrow's shipping. So again, thank you so much for supporting Dolled Up Cosmetics. And stay tuned because magkakaroon kami ng giveaway very soon. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!